What if your company could reduce buzzword operating costs without slowing down operation, sacrificing cleanliness, or hiring more workers? For many transport companies, vehicle washes is often seen as a necessary operational expense, something that simply had to be done every day. But when fleets become larger and operations become more demanding, washing costs can quietly grow into a serious financial burden. While the usage increase, labor costs rise, cleaning quality becomes inconsistent, and managers spend more time solving operational problems instead of focusing on business growth. This is exactly why many large transport companies are starting to rethink the way they manage bus washing operations. They are no longer asking, how do we clean buses? They are asking, how do we clean buses more efficiently, more consistently, and at lower operational costs over the long term? One of the smartest strategy companies are adopting today is automation. Automated bus wash systems are helping transport operators reduce labor dependency, improve workflow, and create more stable operational performance. Instead of relying entirely on manual washing teams, businesses are creating standardized cleaning systems that operate faster, more consistently, and with flawless operational strength. One of the biggest cost reductions come from the labor management. Manual washing operations often require multiple workers per shift, constant supervision, and significant time investment for every vehicle. As fleet size increases, labor costs grow quickly, and in many countries, finding reliable workers for physically demanding jobs is becoming increasingly difficult. Automated systems help solve the challenge by reducing the amount of manpower required while maintaining consistent cleaning qualities across the fleet. Another major factor is time efficiency. In transportation, delay affects everything. When buses spend too much time waiting for manual cleaning, schedules become tighter, operational flows slow down, and vehicles spend less time generating revenue. Automated systems dramatically improve turnaround time by allowing buses to move through the cleaning process quickly and efficiently. Faster cleaning means smoother operation, reduced congestion inside the park, and more productive use of company assets. Water management is another factor area where modern systems reduce operational costs. Traditional manual washing often waste larger amounts of water due to inconsistent process and poor control. Advanced automated systems are designed to optimize water usage more efficiently while still maintaining stronger cleaning performance. Over time, this creates noticeable savings, especially for companies operating large fleets daily. But reducing costs is not just about spending less money. It's also about reducing operational unpredictability. Manual washing systems often create inconsistent results depending on worker experience, fatigue, workflow, or weather conditions. Some vehicles are cleaned thoroughly, others are rushed, and maintaining quality control becomes difficult at scale. Automated systems solve this by standardizing the process. Every bus receives the same cleaning procedure every time, helping companies maintain a more professional fleet appearance while reducing management pressure. And in today's transportation industry, appearance matters more than many businesses realize. Clean buses create stronger customer confidence, better brand perceptions, and more professional image overall. Whether operating city buses, tourism coaches, or long-distance passenger service, customers notice vehicle cleanliness immediately. A clean fleet reflects discipline, reliability, and operational excellence. This is why many transport operators now see automated bus washing not just a maintenance equipment, but as part of their overall operational strategy. At Go&Go, we have worked with transport companies and international buyers who are actively looking for smart ways to modernize their operation while controlling long-term costs. Our automated bus wash system are specifically designed for large buses and coaches over 10 meters long, capable of operating continuously in demanding fleet environment. But beyond the technology itself, what companies are really investing in is operational stability and scalability. Because when a business grows, systems matter more than ever. Manual operations become harder to manage at scale, while automated systems are create consistencies, predictability, and easier expansion. This is one of the key reasons automation is become increasingly important in modern transport infrastructures worldwide, and what's especially existing is that high-quality automation solutions are now being developed and exported internationally from Vietnam. More buyers are recognizing Vietnam not only as a manufacturing hub, but as a source of practical scalable technology solution for real business operation. At the end of the day, traceable companies are not simply trying to wash bus faster, they're trying to build smarter operation, reduce unnecessary pressure, and prepare their business for future growth in a highly competitive market. And companies that modernize earlier usually gain the biggest long-term advantage. If you want to discover how Go&Go automated bus wash system can help reduce operational costs, improve fleet efficiency, and support large-scale transport operation, contact us today or comment below. Let's explore how smarter automation can help your business operate faster, cleaner, and more efficiently for the future.